Yo guys, what's up? So earlier today, let's just say I cooked. Alright. I was in the new Valor vid. Right? Let's just see what happens.
No, not a gravitational. Oh, what's up again? Yo, ethereal. Yo, let's go.
I got ethereal.
Go. Get ahead. Let's go.
See?
Oh, that's crazy. Someone got an ethereal. Where is he? Oh, W's. Let's go. All right, let me take off this gravitational before people realize I got a gravitational.
I'll probably try to put the clip in right now. It's gonna be a very, very bad mic because I recorded it using Windows Game Bar, and you know, Windows Game Bar is hot doo-doo. It makes me sound like I'm 8 years old, to be completely honest with you. Let's just equip my... And by the way, I'll just be honest with you, I still don't have Arcane Legacy. Alright. Cue the clip in 3, 2, 1. I got ethereal! I got ethereal! Bro, I just got ethereal! Oh, that reaction was super hot. Trash. But I just want to give you an update on the Souls RG, the part 3 of the 1K. It'll be coming soon. I'm working on it. It's just, you gotta give me some time because my sleep schedule's been really bad. I don't want to post at like 4 a.m. Right? So I posted the other one earlier in the morning. We got way more attention for you guys to see. But yeah, I'll get to posting in a little bit. Alright. Stay safe. Stay strong.